Cole County Judge Pat Joyce has sentenced Taos daycare operator Shelley Richter to 5 years in prison for endangering the welfare of a child.
In the second of two trials, a jury in December convicted Richter for the 2010 brain injury suffered by then 7-month-old Lane Schaefer while under Richter's care. Richter claimed she had dropped Lane, but several doctors said his injuries were consistent with shaken baby syndrome. As
was her policy during both trials, Judge Joyce again did not allow television cameras in the courtroom during today's sentencing hearing, but KRCG 13's Dan Ebner was there and joins us now live from the courthouse. Dan?
Shelley Richter was sentenced to 5 years in prison for child endangerment earlier this afternoon. At the start of today's hearing, the defense asked for an acquittal in the trial, but the judge denied it. Lane, the child who was injured in 2010, did make an appearance in the courtroom, assisted by family before the sentencing. His mother asked him to say hello to the courtroom. He did, and then he was taken out. There were 4 witness impact statements read before the sentencing. Lane's mother, father, and both grandmothers talked about the impact this event has had on their lives and Lane's life. Lane's mother, Jessica, told the judge how this has turned her family's life upside down. She went on to talk about how she had to quit her job as an RN to care for Lane full-time. Shelley didn't take the stand before she was handed down her sentence. New tonight at 6, I talked to Cole County prosecuting attorney Mark Richardson. I talked to him after the judge handed down their decision. He told me why this sentence is so important in a case of child endangerment.
But in cases like this, a prison sentence of 5 years or a prison sentence of any years helps society protect those in society, infants who cannot ever protect themselves.
Shelley Richter will now have 180 days to file an appeal with the Missouri courts. Reporting live in Jefferson City, Dan Ebner, KRCG 13.